Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube video. Today I want to explain about my project in a website titled Cheese Project. So before that, let me introduce myself first. My name is Joanne and I'm the student of IT and Police Ahmad, and I'm studying multimedia design and embedded system with a special interest in design and creativity. I want to develop my potential in this field so that I can contribute to creative and professional projects. So first, I want to explain about my project. So I learning I made two projects in ITN. So the first a multimedia project is a project where I design work according to given time using the Figma platform with vectoring technique to create neat and attractive graphic element. And the second, I learned about embedded system. An embedded project is a project where I design a project using code, and usually I use a BBC microbit, which function as the brain of the robot. So let's continue to my first SKL in multimedia is illustration. So I created this illustration with a theme of a Ramadan night atmosphere. I depicted a woman looking out the window which facing a beautiful mosque with the moon and stars in the sky. The colors I chose were predominantly soft blue and white to give it an expression of calm, peace, and tranquility. I added floral details on the outside of the windows to give a warm and lively feel, so that the focus is not only on the building. I intended the entire illustration to configure it with fashion and a moment, spiritual reflection. So let's continue to my second style in multimedia is poster design. It's a as poster design is a motivational theme of fishing for sky or high dreams. I depicted a child climbing a ladder and trying to reach for the stars as a symbol of lofty ideals. I chose the color night blue and start to convey a sense of hope and beauty. I also included a quote from the Quran, Surah An-Najm, verse 39 until 40, for, yeah, which emphasizes that every human effort will be rewarded. The main message of this poster is not to be afraid to dream big. As long as we work hard, put willing, and the result will be visible. Okay, next continue to embedded system project. So the first is tiny bit controller project. Um, this This poster, sorry, I mean this is the poster. So this poster explains the tiny bit basic controller project. I use the Microsoft Make code platform to code it, and the tiny bit robot can be controlled via the Levy Control app connected via Bluetooth. Its functionality is simple but quite effective. Tiny bit can move forward, back, left, and right. I designed the poster using the code, blue code, a robot, and a Bluetooth icon for easy understanding. Then next to last is my project tiny bit. It's tiny bit hand gesture. So this is the poster. This poster explains the tiny bit hand gesture project. Unlike the Bluetooth version, here the tiny bit robot is controlled using hand gesture. I used disable machine to train the AI to recognize hand gesture through the camera. For example, if you show your palm, the robot will move forward And if you point to the left, the robot will move left. And the platform I use is the Microsoft My Code for coding the robot. Then Luffy, Luffy robot as the movement link to the robot. I added hand gesture illustration and the block code to the poster design to make it clear how it works. Okay, and yeah, maybe that's all from me, and that's all my project. Thank you for seeing my video. Sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye guys. Thank you.